everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Hi Alex, how do you heal from a traumatic event if your memory was wiped? Your body remembers and reacts, but you don't know what's triggering the fear. Thank you.
I have some of that from past lives. And the first place that I go with that is forgiveness. Because I recognize that there's an emotional charge there. And I find that from my own personal experience, when I approach something like that from a space of forgiveness, and I let go of the emotional charge, eventually that, whatever that is, surfaces and it shows itself to me. Because I think that there's a part of the body or the human psyche that does what it can to protect us. But if there's forgiveness, if I've already moved into a state of forgiveness with whatever it is, I don't have the emotional charge. Therefore, it doesn't become a threat to me. Or at least that's how my mind or my ego sees it. Could be that my higher self, my soul says, okay, Collier, you're ready for this. And then it presents it to me. I have been surprised in the past with things that I thought I was really afraid of. And it turned out that it was really not an issue at all. That whatever the trauma, in one instance, the trauma was what I put myself through because of a mistake that I made. And I judged myself so hard that I traumatized myself. I did it to me. And I was really glad to finally figure that out. And I was able to let it go. And the decision I made in that particular lifetime, which I have no intention of sharing, has changed my perspective in this lifetime. In other words, when I knew what it was, it immediately made an impact on my present time. And I am extremely grateful for that insight. I have other things that I need to work on involving the Orion Wars, the Black League, and battling reptilians, Decar. But that will come. That will come either in this lifetime or maybe when I get to fourth or I get to fifth. I'll be able to deal with it. All the homework doesn't have to be done right now. We're eternal beings, guys. You don't have to do it all now. And this thing is you have to clear your entire past life in order to jump or to get somewhere is bullshit. It's rubbish. Okay? It's rubbish. If that were the case, we'd never get out of third density. And I was out of here before before I came here for this lifetime. I was someplace else. Okay, so it's obviously not true. It's one of the blinds in metaphysics. Okay? And our lifetimes are not linear either. For a fact, they're not. You can jump in different lifetimes to different places in different times. That's how amazing we are. That's another blind in metaphysics. And everybody's going to have to rewrite some of their books now, right? But, whatever. I mean, your reality is what you believe it to be. So whatever your ideological constructs are, whatever your belief systems are, that's what you're constructing. It's literally all on me. It's all on you. Which, hence the most important question. What do you want? When you break the formula down to its simplest fact, that's it. That's the fact. What do you want? A lot of the bullshit and the rubbish and the non-belief systems, or all the belief systems, they just fall away. They just all fall away. And we've been fed all this shit to keep us spinning in circles over and over and over again. To keep us overthinking everything. Which keeps us in the way of achieving what we want. Next question, please.
Stephanie, once again. Hi, Alex and team. Do you have any new information on angels? Thank you for all your help.
No, I don't, Steph. And that's one of my own personal hot buttons, but I don't have anything new. Sorry.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.